Hello everyone, today we got another banner to pull on, and this time we're gonna be pulling for Rain and Medina. Hmm, which one of these units do we want? Well, obviously we want both of them, and we don't really need either one of them because I already have a good magic tanks, and I got good a bunch of dual wheel Thrustmasters, but Medina's is one that I really want because for the 7-star meta, um, this Thrustmaster becomes really good because all the most of the mages get a boost when they're dual wielding. Um, so and another thing that that got my attention is the Trust Mugos. We will be getting Trust Mugos from this event, so we're gonna be pulling with 4-star tickets and with Lapis. As you can see, I have a bunch of Lapis now. We had this special event on Amazon. It was called Prime Day, and if you were a Prime member, you will get a 25% on the whenever you will purchase Lapis. So I use all of my Amazon coins to be able to get them, but I mean to get this good deal. Uh, so I won't be using them all, but I want to save them for the banner of next week. Seems to be it's gonna be Star Ocean, and maybe they'll be able to become 7 stars because on the Japanese server they didn't they never became 7 stars. And I don't know if there isn't any special announcement saying that they will be 7 stars. I'm not gonna be pulling for them, even though I'm a huge fan of the Star Ocean series, mostly the Star Ocean 3. That's one of my favorite games of all time. So let's start doing this. So I'm gonna pull with 5 4-star tickets, and then I'm gonna do a 5k pool. So hopefully I'll be able to get at least one of each. I'm not in a hurry of get the Duke because you know I got Silk. Wait, there wasn't any trust move on that. So we're not getting trust movers for the tickets, I mean? The Huh, that changed everything. 4-star. So, we're not getting trust movers on ticket pools. I thought it was gonna be one of those banners, so I'll probably just do a couple 5-star pools then and see if I get lucky. No tickets. Let's do the daily. Oh, so it's not gonna be as long video as I thought. Oh, 4-star. I'm getting a bunch of 4-stars now, and not a 5-star. Victoria, nice. I really like her TM. It's the best drop that we have so far on the game. And let's do our vote. I've been voting for this one. I really want to get those trust movers and tickets and pools. I mean, it's all good. It's the best deal for me. And what else do we have? No 10+1. Oh, I got 2 5-star tickets. So I guess we'll get some 5 stars at the end of this video. But let's pull on this one first. So I'll do 5 pulls, and if I get one of them, good. If not, whatever. Let's see what I get. I mean, I would really want an awakening rain because on his 7-star form. What? What? No, Mary. Oh my God. No. What? What? Not, not a single banner unit. What? Only one Chantoro, which 3. Well, I'm really happy for um, what's her name? Forgot. For Frida and Titus. Man, I got so many of them already. What? Can't believe not. Oh my God! This might be the only pool that I get tickets. I mean, the only pool that I get rainbows, and now, wow! I don't know if I'm happy or I'm sad because triple rainbow, but good units. I mean, really good units, and but not a single walking in rain. And we're getting his TM on on every summon. I guess that's what the banner is about, getting his. So if you actually pull 20 times, you have his TM. Wow. Is there anybody that would think that way? Oh, I'm gonna pull 20 times to get range trust Moogle. Oh, got another rainbow. See what I get. No. Oh my God. What is this? That's the dual wheel? Yeah. Oh my God. I got like 20 Robertas already. Oh God. Well, I don't know. I'm not feeling this banner. Not getting the units. I mean, I'm getting rainbows, but what? It's like maybe they get 1% more. Another rainbow. I mean, it has to be. It has to be one of the banner units. What? Oh my God. No. No. Ace. My second ace. Or my third. I don't know. I think it's my second, and so I'll be able to have a 7-star, but I don't really want them. Okay. If I don't get a rainbow on this one, I'll probably do another one because I kind of really want to get at least one of them. It would be a really sad video if I don't get one of them. Ah, not a rainbow. And I'm getting banner units, but they are not protector of lapis. Okay. At most, let's do some tickets and then I'll probably do one more. So if I get a rainbow and I don't get any of the banner units, I'll stop. Can't believe it. Got 4 rainbows and not a single 5-star banner unit. Total. I really like her TM. 30% magic. For a 3-star, that's really good. Another blue. If my son were to be pulling for me, and if he sees a blue, crystal coming down, that will be like a rainbow for him. He loves the color blue. 9. I don't want nothing from you, 9. Okay, let's do a 5K. Okay, if I get a rainbow and it's not a banner unit, okay, that's it. I thought we were gonna get Trust Muggles with this. I mean, I didn't really. Okay, there's a rainbow. Okay, this is my last pool. Whatever I get, this is the last one. So, yes, rain. I don't have him on the JP side, and most of the most of the trials, the guides that have a stop on it, you need to bring um, a stop resistance unit. Rain is the one that, oh, you bring rain and he'll cast a stop resistance. And but Ajaka is actually pretty good for that, because when she gets her enhancements, she she becomes able to cast a stop resistance too. And I mean, she doesn't just cure it, but she casts a stop resistance for 5 turns. So let's get rid of those tickets and let's see what I get. Well, I didn't get a single Medina, but I'm not in a hurry to get her. When Lorraine came, I didn't pull on her banner either, and now I have 3 of her. I mean, it's not a time limited unit, so it's not important to get her right now. I mean, if you really want her, this is your best chance, but that's something that they just make you believe, because you could just get her whatever, whenever. Her team is really good. She herself is not good, and right now we have so many tornado casters, and that's actually her best ability. Well, she gets triple cast tornado, but on her 7-star form, if it's the same as the JP side. But anyways, nah, I don't really need it right now. But I got 2 rainbow tickets, so I might be able to get her. Who knows? I got Lorraine with EX tickets, so okay. 4-star might turn into a rainbow. No. Veritas of the Water. I remember when they came in the first time, getting them was really good. Their TMs were like the best at the moment. Well, I can't believe 3 rainbows and not a single honor unit. Oh my god, that still got me. I mean, I'm happy. I mean, I'm gonna start farming Alfreda's TM right away. And Mary's, she's a really bad unit. And unless she gets like upgraded on global, hopefully, I mean, make her useful. Is that gonna turn into 5? No. Grace. If you don't have 2 Alfredas, then that's the best TM you could get. I mean, if you want to use Alfreda and you got one of her. Not a rainbow. Come on. Mercedes. Ugh. I get really sad every time I see her. Nothing bad happened when she came. Just that I wasn't even playing when she came. Pretty new in this game. Probably been playing for like 6 to 7 months, and actually I started playing a week before. I mean, I played the game like right when it came out, and played it for like a couple months. Then I stopped. Then I came back like a week before A2 came in. So, and all those chaining attacks and all that is what got me hooked into the game. And being able to get rainbows. Jake, what? Got 3 of them now. One more for the super team, I guess. Wow, that was sad. Come on, give me a list. Dark Fina. I'll be happy with Dark Fina. I really like her TM. 50% magic. Yeah, that's something like not every 5-star gets. And her super TM is gonna be pretty good. Yes! Privia! This is my third one. I'll be able to get another Previous Needle and get 1 to 7-star, and hopefully I'll get another one later. I think that's it. I wanna save my second anniversary tickets for another occasion. Maybe to once I got all of them, and see if I get more luck pulling a lot of tickets at the same time. So, we got 3 announcements. What is that? Players for campaign. 4% rainbow rate, free daily summons. So follow 5% rainbow, free daily. Didn't we got this already? This will take place in August. And what is this? I don't know. Another issue report. Ice damage and reduce eye resistance for all enemies. In-game description. I think I make the video a little bit boring at the end, so I'm gonna make one more pool, see if I get Medina. And that's gonna be it. Let's see. Well, I can't believe I wasted a 4-star ticket on this. Guess that's what happens when you don't read all the way through. I just go like boring, boring. Yes, trust no goes. Yeah, I'm used to the JP side where you don't read, you only see the image and then you're like, oh, this is gonna happen. Okay, last 5k pool, and that's it. 4-star. Oh, wish me luck. Come on, give me a rainbow. No rainbows. Protector of Lapis. Oh well. I guess this is gonna be it for this video. I wasn't lucky enough to get Medina on this time, but I'm really happy I got for another Frevia. I mean, I can't get enough of her. It's my favorite character in this game. So I got another Frida, but oh well. And I'm still like, oh, triple rainbow and not a single one of them. Wow. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos, and bye bye.